Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I'm Sheetal June and you're watching today's legal news where we update you with the latest legal developments across the country and world. Starting with the headlines. Supreme Court upholds constitutional validity of Section 6A of the Citizenship Act by a majority of 4-1. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court dismisses PIL against Public Safety Act as non-maintainable. Madhya Pradesh High Court directs man to salute Tricolour 21 times with Bharat Mata Ki Jai slogan while granting bail. Meta must face lawsuits over teen addiction to social media, rules a US court. Now the news in detail. The Supreme Court today pronounced judgment in a batch of petitions challenging the constitutional validity of Section 6A of the Citizenship Act related to grant of Indian citizenship to the illegal immigrants in Assam. The bench of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Surya Kant, Justice M.M. Sundaresh and Justice Manoj Mishra upheld the constitutional validity of Section 6A of the Citizenship Act 1955. However, Justice J.B. Pardiwala has dissented. Notably, in December 2023, the five-judge bench had reserved its verdict in the petitions. Section 6A in the Citizenship Act was inserted as a special provision to deal with the citizenship of people covered by the Assam Accord. The provision provides that those who have come to Assam on or after January 1, 1966 but before March 25, 1971 from specified territories including Bangladesh as per the Indian Citizenship Act amended in 1985 and since then are residents of Assam. They must register themselves under Section 18 of the Citizenship Act. As a result, the provision fixes March 25, 1971 as the cutoff date for granting citizenship to Bangladeshi immigrants in Assam. On September 20, 2023, the court had said that the title of the proceedings shall be in Res Section 6A of the Citizenship Act 1955. As many as 17 petitions, including the one filed by Assam Public Works in 2009, have been examined by the Apex Court. Prior to this, the Constitution Bench had directed the parties to file joint compilations consisting of written submissions, precedents, and any other documentary material on which reliance will be placed at the time of the hearing. The bench had earlier directed that a common index be prepared in 3 separate volumes of the above compilations. Under the Assam Accord signed by the All Assam Students Union, the Assam government and the Government of India on August 15, 1985 to detect and deport the foreigners, Section 6A was inserted into the Citizenship Act to grant citizenship to people who have migrated to Assam. A Guwahati-based NGO challenged Section 6A in 2012, terming it arbitrary, discriminatory and unconstitutional, claiming it provides different dates for regularizing illegal migrants in Assam. A 2-judge bench had referred the matter to the Constitution Bench in 2014. The Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court has dismissed as not maintainable a public interest litigation challenging legality of the Jammu and Kashmir Public Safety Act PSA 1978. The petition raised the question that the amendment affected in Article 22 of the Constitution of India has not been brought into force in Jammu and Kashmir. The Act, the plea states, is illegal because it contravenes 44th Amendment of the Constitution of India. Union of India was bound to bring this amendment into force, it said. The PIL filed by senior advocate Syed Tasaud Hussain in 2019 had raised questions over the legality of the Act and was seeking its scrapping. The delegation of powers to detain the persons under Sections 8 and 16 of the Jammu and Kashmir Public Safety Act in divisional commissioners or district magistrates was illegal and such powers lies with the state. The plea had sought court's intervention to declare Section 8 of the PSA as illegal because the government has to approve the detention. It cannot do it without hearing the detainee. Moreover, the plea highlighted that the detainee cannot be moved from one place of detention without show cause. A division bench of Chief Justice Tashir Abstan and Justice M.A. Chaudhary observed that since the issue of detention of citizens as raised is already pending before it, the PIL is not maintainable as being a parallel litigation. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has granted conditional bail to a man accused of shouting a pro-Pakistan slogan to salute the tricolour at police station in Bhopal 21 times and raise Bharat Mata Ki Jai slogan till the conclusion of the trial. The accused has been directed to salute the national flag and raise Bharat Mata Ki Jai slogan on every first and fourth Tuesday of the month. The accused Faisal Ali Faizan was arrested after an FIR was registered against him at the Bhopal police station in May under sections 153B, imputations, assertions prejudicial to national integration of the lapsed Indian Penal Code. Justice D.K. Paliwal stated that the applicant may be released on bail by imposing some conditions which may infuse in him a sense of responsibility and pride for the country in which he was born and living. As per the prosecution, the accused had shouted a pro-Pakistan slogan which amounted to prompting enmity between different groups, and his act was prejudicial to the maintenance of harmony and national integration. Facebook parent company Meta must face lawsuits by US states accusing it of encouraging social media addiction among teens, a federal judge in California has ruled. Judge Rogers rejected Meta's bid to toss the claim made by the states in two separate lawsuits filed last year, one including more than 30 states and the other including only one, Florida. The company had argued that the federal law blocked some of the claims and that the states failed to point to misleading statements that it had made. The judge put some limit on the claims that the state could pursue but allowed the case to go forward largely intact. The judge also rejected the social media company's motion to dismiss the some claims over social media addiction brought by individual plaintiffs. The states are asking the court to injunctions against Meta's allegedly illegal business practices and are seeking unspecified monetary damages. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. Subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android devices for the latest legal updates.